all, welcome back to our favorite We and Data channel. Today, let us discuss how to restore a database and backup existing database using PostgreSQL. Let's get into the video. Today, we are going to learn how to backup an existing database and how to restore a database. So first, let us create a database which we will be using today. So we create a database called supermarket. Now a supermarket DB is created. But when we see the schema, there is no table in it. So now we have a database which is backed up already in our local. So we will try to restore that database here in this database. Now the backup database is in the tar file. When we right click on the DB and select restore, we get utility file not found. Please correct binary path in the preference dialog. Why do we get this issue? The binary path is not set. So how to set this? File, preferences, binary path. If you remember, our database server is Postgres 14. So select that and select the bin folder of a Postgres 14 in our local. So now we save it. We try to restore it again. Yeah, now we are able to do that. So format, custom or tar format. We have a data in tar format. So we have to choose the file in our local. So we are going to choose that file which we are going to restore. Supermarket _ DB. Automatically this restore will be happening. So let's wait for the database to be restored. Now let me select the tables. Nothing is here. So we just refresh. Now we select it. Yeah, we are able to find the table, a customer table, a product table and a sales table. So for the customer table, the primary key is customer P key. Okay. So for product table, product P key is the primary key column. For sales table, order _line dot P key is the primary key. So now we right click on a customer table and click on view. We are able to see the whole data of the customer table. So here P key is the primary key and we have all the other values of a customer table. So now let's select for product table. Now we have the whole product table and P key is the primary key. So next we select for sales. Now we will see the data of sales table. Here order _line is a primary key. So this is how we restore a database. So now we have seen how to restore a database, but how to take the backup of the database. When we talk about backup, we do it hourly basis, daily basis, weekly basis, etc. So how to take backup in the Postgres? We right click on the DB and select backup. Choose where to store the data and give the file name. So we are giving a file name We select the format as star format and click backup. So now the backup process is happening. If you go and see there, we could see the database tar file. So if we could see this file, this is the backed up file. We could see two files. One is which was we used earlier, which was already we took and kept it earlier. And the second one is now we have created a backup. So this is how we restore and take backup of a database in PostgreSQL. So in our next video, let us see more SQL analytics in Postgres. Until then, it is bye from our favorite We and Data channel.